In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos longer than 30 seconds to your Google Business Profile. Now, if you've ever tried to upload videos to your Google Business Profile, you might have noticed that the official guidelines mention a limit of 30 seconds per video. However, there's a way around this to showcase videos up to the maximum file size of 75 megabytes. And today I'll guide you through the process. First, let's address Google's guidelines. Although they suggest keeping video durations to 30 seconds or less, you can upload longer videos as long as they meet the file size criteria. To do this, you'll sometimes need to compress your videos using third-party tools. This approach not only allows you to fit longer content within the size constraints, but also ensures the quality remains impressive, ideally at a resolution of 720p or higher. The first step is to check the size of the video you plan to upload. If it exceeds 75 megabytes, you'll need to compress it. A simple search on Google for free online video compressor will yield plenty of reliable tools. Choose one and it will guide you through resizing your video, ensuring it stays under the maximum size limit while maintaining the desired quality. Once you've compressed your video, download the converted file to your computer. Afterward, head over to your Google Business Profile. You'll need to navigate to the section where you can upload photos. Within this area, you'll find an option to add photos. But don't fret, the same functionality works for videos as well. Click on the Add Photos button displayed at the top of the menu screen, which opens up the upload interface. Here you can either drag the video from your file explorer directly into the uploader, or click to browse your files and select it manually. After selecting your video, it will start uploading. Once the upload finishes, your video will appear on the Add Photo page of your profile. However, please note that it will initially be in a pending status. At this stage, Google needs to verify your content before it is made available to the public, a process that's typically completed quite swiftly. If at any point you decide you don't want the video visible on your profile, simply click the trash icon located in the upper right corner of the video thumbnail. When prompted, confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. This straightforward process removes the video from your profile, allowing you to manage your content effortlessly. And there you have it, you can now surpass Google's video length recommendation while staying within the technical parameters, achieving an informative and engaging presentation on your business profile. Thank you for watching and happy uploading.